Welcome to Motionu. At UASE Shenzhen 2026, one thing became very clear. Drones are no longer just flying cameras. In this video, let's take a closer look at some of the most interesting UAV products and technologies from the show. First up is Star Technologie. One of the key products at their booth is this 720 kilogram class heavy lift UAV platform. What makes it interesting is its range extender style power system, similar in concept to an extended range electric vehicle. The engine is jointly developed with Wuling motors, giving the platform stronger endurance for heavy-duty missions. With a payload capacity of around 70 kilograms, it can carry real industrial equipment, not just lightweight sensors. That makes it suitable for emergency rescue, cargo transport, firefighting support, and other heavy-lift industrial applications. From heavy-lift platforms, let's move to Autel Robotics and its Dragonfish 25. This is a tiltrotor VTOL fixed-wing UAV built for flexible takeoff and long-distance missions. Its key design is the two front tiltrotor units. They allow the aircraft to take off vertically like a multi-rotor, then transition into efficient fixed-wing cruise. With up to 210 minutes of flight time, 220 kilometers of range, and AI-assisted camera payloads, it is designed for inspection, mapping, emergency response, and security operations. Staying with long-range VTOL platforms, Juav and Mingde showed two different approaches to large compound-wing UAVs. Both take off vertically, then switch to fixed-wing cruise for long-range efficiency. Juav's oil-powered platform highlights heavy payload capability, 200 kilogram MTOW, 70 kilogram payload, and about 240 minutes with 40 kilograms on board. Mingde's platform focuses on endurance, up to 12 hours with a 30 kilogram payload. Both front cabins can carry satellite communication payloads, supporting mapping, emergency response, relay, and remote industrial missions. Another endurance-focused aircraft comes from E2 drones. Unlike the VTOL aircraft we just saw, this is a long-endurance fixed-wing UAV focused on efficiency. Its key highlight is a small EFI piston engine, supporting up to 60 hours of flight time. The electric version can reach up to 12 hours, with a payload range from 2 to 20 kilograms. They also highlighted an FAI-certified endurance world record, pointing to the same idea: small engine, high efficiency, and ultra-long missions. On the cargo side, TopX Gun showed the Y400, a new industrial cargo UAV. It looks more like a flying industrial machine than a typical drone. With 16 motors, 712 kilograms of maximum takeoff weight, and a rated payload of 400 kilograms, this is clearly built for heavy-lift cargo missions. Beyond transport and endurance, UASE showed a very practical application: the D10R integrated smart cleaning drone. What stands out here is not only the cleaning function, but the safety redundancy around it. On top, it has an emergency parachute. Around the rotors, protective guards, and for obstacle avoidance, it combines dual RTK, visual LiDAR, and obstacle radar. That is important because this drone is designed to work close to buildings, rooftops, narrow spaces, and even indoor environments. At the booth, UASE also showed a live high-pressure washing demo, making the application very clear: safer cleaning for places that are difficult or risky for people to reach. Finally, all XF focused not on aircraft but on gimbal stabilization technology. Their demo shows a small camera gimbal mounted on a violently shaking model car, while the live image remains stable on the ground station. It is a compact system, but it solves one critical problem: keeping payload images usable under vibration and motion. That's my quick look at some of the most interesting UAV technologies from UASE Shenzhen 2026. Thanks for watching. For more unmanned systems industry updates, stay connected with Motionu.